All right, hello again, students. This is the second part to chapter 1-1, points, lines, and planes. So make sure you title it appropriately. This is just labeling the lines. So make sure you copy down this again. Box, this time there's 12 spaces. So make sure you pause it and copy down 12 spaces because I'm not going to stop here. Makes no sense. But make sure you pause that, okay? So we are going to start with a line segment, okay? A segment or a line segment is the part of a line that has 2 points, consisting of 2 endpoints and all the points in between them. Okay? So we call this either line segment CD or line segment DC. Alright? So you put a dot, you put a line, put another dot, CD. Either one's fine. Alright, so segment DC or CD. Alright, so that's line segment. Now, this is the endpoints. This is about the endpoints. Alright? On endpoint, okay. Ooh, you can't see that with the glare. How do I block out that glare? Okay, there it is. You see it? An endpoint. It's an endpoint. An endpoint, all right, are the ends of a segment. So, for example, this one, the endpoints are C and D. C, D, those are the endpoints. Now, this one you kind of know, you learned it way back then, array. Array is a part of a line that starts at one endpoint, but goes on forever. So it starts at one endpoint and goes on forever. Okay? So, for example, we're going to make an array. Let's call this ray. Okay, it starts here. Let's call it ray X to Y. So, X, Y with an arrow facing one direction. That is a ray. Okay? So, now this one is when you have opposite rays. Okay? It looks like a line. These are opposite rays. Opposite rays are 2 rays that have a common endpoint and they go the other way. So for example, you have a ray here. Let's call this A. Let's call this B. So it's a ray that way. And if you have a ray this way, let's call that C. So you have a ray BA right here. Array BA from that way. And then you have a ray going that way. That's BC. Okay? So make sure you write all of this down. Make sure you write all this down. Alright? And watch the video over and over again if you have to. Thank you, class.